An operating system is a software that manages the computer hardware. The hardware must provide appropriate mechanisms to ensure the correct operation of the computer system. From the user point of view, the primary consideration is always the convenience. It must be easy to use an application. In launching an application, it helps to have one which gives a clue which application it is. In other ways, the human computer interface, which helps to identify an application and its launch, is very useful. This hides a lot of details of more elementary instructions that help in selecting the application. Similarly, if we examine the programs that help us in using input or devices like a keyboard, in the complex details of the pattern reading program are hidden from the user. When it comes to the viewpoint of the system, the operating system needs to ensure that all the system users and applications get to use the facilities that they are need. The user of the applications, the end user, generally is not concerned with the details of the computer hardware. Thus, the end views a computer system in terms of a system of applications. An application can be expressed in a programming language and is developed by an application programmer. If one were to develop an application program as a set of machine instructions that is completely responsible for controlling the computer hardware, one would be faced with an complex undertaking. To ease this core, a set of system programs is provided. Some of these programs are referred to as utilities or library programs. These implement frequently used functions, assist in program creation, the management of the files, and the control of the input-output devices. A program will make use of these facilities in developing an application, and the application, while it is running, will evoke the utilities to perform certain functions. The most important collection of system programs comprises the operating system. The OS makes the detail of the hardware from the programmer and provides the programmer with a convenient interface for using the system. It adds an mediator, makes its use easier for the programmer and for the application programs to access and use those facilities and services.